Okay, I got this Johnson outboard remote control, but it's missing this piece, which is the throttle control lever and clip. Um, so I just open it up and hopefully this thing will um, yeah, I think this below this cable here is for the reverse, forward, and neutral. This cable here, because that looks like I can use this to control this guy here. And this is the one that controls the throttle. What I'm not sure is why, like this throttle, what I'm not sure is why this is not okay. It's a little bit, but not all the way in, and I have to lift this thing up so this can go full throttle. My guess is this thing here, I may be able to oh no, it's fixed. No, maybe I can slide this back so that this lever can go all the way up. Look, cause like right now, like if I put it in here, I can't even control this cable. This cable is not going anywhere. If I put it here, this cable is not going anywhere either. So, not sure. I don't think this cable should go in here. I think this cable should go here. But I'm not 100% sure. The cable may go here. But if the cable goes here, then I can't. See, I can't even move this cable. So, anyway, so so that's where I am with this thing. I'm going to buy a lever.